Hey everyone, welcome to our brand new Java programming series for beginners. In this very first video, we'll get you started with core Java from absolute scratch. In this video, we'll begin by setting up your computer for Java programming. We'll learn how to download and install the JDK, also called as Java Development Kit, how to write and run Java programs using Notepad++. And later in the series, we'll also explore how to use an IDE to make things easier. If you are a beginner learning Java, it is highly recommended to start practicing without using an IDE such as Eclipse or IntelliJ. Instead, use a simple text editor like Notepad. The reason for this is that during technical interviews, you are often asked to write code by hand on paper or in a basic text editor without any code suggestions or auto completion. If you rely on an IDE from the very beginning, you might become dependent on its features like auto completion, error highlighting, and automatic code generation. This could make it difficult for you to recall syntax, structure, and core concepts when writing code manually. Practicing Java without an IDE forces you to learn the commands, understand the syntax thoroughly, and develop a stronger foundation in programming. So let's first install the JDK, which stands as Java Development Kit, and it's the core tool you need to start coding in Java. I'll show you how to install it properly, step by step. In your browser's address bar, type Java Development Kit 8 and navigate to the official Oracle website. Scroll down the page and select the appropriate JDK version for your operating system. For example, I'm using Windows 64-bit. Accept the license agreement, then click the download button. Once the download is complete, double-click the .x file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the JDK installation is complete, navigate to C drive program files on your computer. Open the Java folder, then go into the JDK folder followed by the bin folder. Copy the full path of the bin directory. Next, right-click on My Computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced Systems Settings. Then click on Environment Variables. Under the System Variables section, find and double-click on the path. Click New and paste the path you copied earlier. With this, JDK setup is complete. Now we will install Notepad++. In your browser's address bar, type Notepad++. Click on the link to the official website. Navigate to the download section and click on the download button. Once the installer is downloaded, double-click the file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You can use the default options unless you have specific preferences. We will now write our first Java program, Hello World. Open Notepad++. From languages select Java and save the file. I am saving file as Java Code 1. Try to keep the file name and class name same. It's not mandatory. You can choose your own class name. But in future, when we will deal with packages, it's mandatory to have file name and class name same, else it will throw error. Inside the class, we need to write public static void main string args. Then system.out.println and inside double quotation hello world. Now open the file in command prompt. First, we need to compile the code. So we need to write javacc then file name.java. And after that, we need to call the class, execute the program and see the output. So we write Java, then the class name. And here we have ran successfully our first Java program. In upcoming videos, we'll introduce you to IDEs like Eclipse, which will make Java development faster and easier. After completing core Java, we'll move into an entire new series on advanced Java, where you'll learn about servlets, JSP, JDBC, frameworks, and so much more. If you're excited to become a Java developer, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next lesson.